Integrating social media with an overall marketing strategy is not just an option, but a necessity in today's digital age, where social media platforms have become essential tools for businesses to connect with their audiences, increase brand awareness, and drive conversions. Social media provides a dynamic and interactive space where businesses can engage with customers in real time, create meaningful conversations, and build brand loyalty through personalized interactions. Unlike traditional marketing channels, social media offers an unparalleled opportunity to reach global audiences, gather valuable customer insights, and tailor marketing messages to specific demographics, making it a powerful component of a comprehensive marketing approach. To effectively integrate social media with an overall marketing strategy, businesses must start by defining clear objectives that align with their broader business goals. These objectives could range from increasing website traffic, generating leads, driving sales, improving customer engagement, or enhancing brand reputation. Each social media initiative should be strategically designed to complement traditional marketing efforts, such as content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, influencer collaborations, paid advertising, and offline promotional activities. The key to successful integration lies in creating a seamless and consistent brand experience across all touchpoints, ensuring that customers receive uniform messaging and branding, whether they interact with the company on social media, visit its website, receive an email campaign, or engage with a physical store. A critical first step in this process is identifying the target audience and understanding their online behavior, preferences, and engagement patterns. Different social media platforms attract diverse user bases, each with unique characteristics and expectations. For instance, LinkedIn is highly effective for B2B marketing, professional networking, and thought leadership, while Instagram and TikTok cater to younger, visually driven audiences who respond well to engaging videos, storytelling, and influencer collaborations. Facebook remains a versatile platform for businesses of all sizes, allowing targeted advertising, community building, and customer interactions, while Twitter serves as a real-time news and customer service tool. By analyzing audience demographics, businesses can tailor their content strategies to match the interests and behaviors of users on each platform, ensuring maximum engagement and impact. Developing a robust content strategy is essential for integrating social media with an overall marketing plan. Businesses should create a content calendar that aligns with their broader marketing campaigns, ensuring that social media content complements and amplifies messaging across other channels. This includes repurposing blog posts, white papers, case studies, and research reports into digestible, shareable content for social media, such as infographics, video snippets, carousel posts, and bite-sized text updates. Additionally, businesses should leverage social media to promote and support other marketing initiatives, such as email campaigns, product launches, seasonal promotions, and event marketing. Social media acts as a bridge between various marketing efforts, allowing brands to create a unified and engaging customer journey. For example, an e-commerce brand can integrate social media with email marketing by using social platforms to collect leads and drive newsletter signups, while also using email campaigns to direct subscribers to exclusive social media content, contests, or product announcements. Another effective integration strategy is incorporating social media into website design and landing pages, ensuring that visitors can easily share content, follow brand accounts, and engage with social media updates directly from the website. Adding social media sharing buttons to blog posts, product pages, and testimonials enables customers to amplify brand messaging and contribute to organic reach. Similarly, businesses can embed social media feeds on their websites to showcase user-generated content, customer reviews, and real-time brand conversations, reinforcing credibility and social proof. Maintaining brand consistency across all marketing channels is another fundamental aspect of social media integration. Businesses should ensure that their brand voice, tone, visual identity, and messaging remain uniform across social media, websites, advertisements, and offline marketing materials. A consistent brand presence helps establish trust and recognition, making it easier for customers to associate positive experiences with the brand. This consistency extends beyond visuals to include customer interactions, ensuring that brand representatives, social media managers, and customer support teams adhere to the same communication guidelines when engaging with customers. Social media also plays a crucial role in customer relationship management, CRM, allowing businesses to interact with customers in real time, address inquiries, resolve complaints, and build stronger relationships. Brands that prioritize active engagement by responding to comments, answering questions, and acknowledging customer feedback foster a sense of community and loyalty among their followers. This approach is particularly effective when combined with chatbots, AI-driven customer service tools, and personalized messaging, which help automate responses while maintaining a human touch. Social listening tools can further enhance CRM efforts by allowing businesses to monitor brand mentions, track sentiment analysis, and gain insights into customer preferences and pain points, enabling data-driven decision-making. Paid social media advertising is another powerful way to integrate social media with a broader marketing strategy. Platforms like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, LinkedIn ads, and Twitter ads offer advanced targeting options, allowing businesses to reach specific audiences based on demographics, interests, behaviors, and online activity. Social media advertising can be strategically aligned with search engine marketing, SEM, display ads, and influencer marketing to create a multi-channel advertising approach that maximizes brand exposure and conversions. For instance, businesses can use social media ads to drive traffic to landing pages optimized for lead generation or sales, ensuring a seamless customer journey from awareness to conversion. Retargeting campaigns can also be used to re-engage website visitors who previously interacted with the brand but did not complete a purchase, increasing the chances of conversion. Additionally, influencer marketing has become a crucial element of social media integration, as consumers are more likely to trust recommendations from influencers and brand ambassadors than traditional advertising. Partnering with influencers who align with the brand's values and target audience can significantly enhance brand credibility, reach, and engagement. Social commerce is another emerging trend that businesses should leverage to integrate social media with their marketing strategy. Platforms like Instagram Shopping, Facebook Marketplace, and Pinterest Buyable Pins allow users to make purchases directly from social media, reducing friction in the buying process and enhancing convenience. Businesses can optimize their social commerce strategy by tagging products in posts, using shoppable ads, and integrating e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce with their social media accounts. Additionally, incorporating user-generated content, UGC, into social media marketing efforts further enhances credibility and engagement. In conclusion, integrating social media with an overall marketing strategy requires a holistic and data-driven approach where all marketing efforts. By seamlessly connecting social media with other marketing channels, businesses can enhance brand awareness, drive customer engagement, improve lead generation, and ultimately increase revenue. In today's fast-evolving digital landscape, social media is not just a supplementary tool, but a fundamental pillar of a successful marketing strategy, enabling businesses to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an increasingly competitive market.